Paneer butter masala is a popular Indian dish that consists of paneer, Indian cottage cheese, cooked in a rich and creamy tomato-based sauce with butter, cream, cashew nuts and spices. It is also known as Paneer Makhani or butter paneer. Process. 1. For soaking paneer in a bowl, add paneer and soak it in some warm salted water and keep aside for further use. Two. For curd mixture in a bowl, add degi red chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, curd, butter and mix everything properly and keep aside for further use. Three. For gravy in a kadai, heat ghee and add bay leaf, green cardamom, cloves, ginger, garlic, green chilli, onion and saute them until translucent. Four. Now add curd mixture, dry Kashmiri red chilli and continue cooking for 2-3 minutes or until it's fragrant. Five. Then add the cashew nuts, tomatoes, salt, degi red chilli powder and saute for 2 minutes on medium-high heat. Six. Add the water, then cover and cook for 10-12 minutes or until the tomatoes are soft. Finish it with cura water and switch off the flames. Eight. Let it cool down and then grind it into a fine paste with a hand blender or mixture grinder. Nine. Keep aside for further use. For onion tomato masala, tempering in a kadai, heat butter and add onion saute until translucent, then add degi red chilli powder, then saute it for half a minute. Now add tomatoes and cook until soft, then pour the prepared gravy, butter, honey, dried fenugreek leaves and mix everything properly, then bring it to a boil. Add the soaked paneer without water and boil it for 4-5 minutes on medium heat. 12. Switch off the flames and serve hot and garnish with fresh curd and coriander leaves. 13. Transfer in a serving bowl, garnish with coriander sprig and serve hot with steamed rice or naan roti. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.